Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to resend an invite to a Slack member. So this is going to be particularly useful for anyone, let's say you thought you invited or you know you invited, but they don't see the invitation in their email. So in order to do this, make sure to follow this video until the end and stick around just because this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple. Let's get started. So here we are on our Slack channel. And so this is the demo Slack channel that I have right now. I've already invited a demo account named Bailey Goat. How do I go about resending that invite to Bailey Goat? So what you're going to do first is click on the name of your workspace and then highlight where it says the drop down. Click on it until that menu drops down. Next, you're going to highlight Tools and Settings. Now, Tools and Settings, what you're going to do is go all the way down to where it says Manage Members. And then once you click on Manage Members, you're going to see this full table list of all the members within your Slack channel. Now, the only way to actually re-invite members is if they're still an invited member. So here we have Bailey Go, in which they're still an invited member. In order to resend that invite, you're just going to click on these three dots and then click on Resend Invitation. Now, it's important to note that more than often, any time in which I've had to resend an invite, it's usually because I already invited the wrong email, or maybe like they spelled out their email incorrectly. So do make sure that whoever is asking for the invite or whoever you are inviting, that you are sending the invite to the correct email. So this is the best and easiest way that I found to actually go ahead and resend an invite. If you know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. Take care.